Hello and welcome back to Actually You Life. In today's class, we're going to try out a bunch of different hair products by Kerotin. So I've been testing out this Kerotin brand for a little over 3 weeks now, but I want to let you know that in this class I'm also going to share with you a little bit of my hair routine, how often I wash, what I do for an everyday hairstyle, and also a little tip for if you happen to be one of those people that gets a weird part in the back of their head and they just can't seem to get rid of it. I've got a little bit of a solution, so stay tuned. Okay, so I got my package from Kerotin today and it came like this. My husband's like, you have a weird package on the front porch. It was wrapped in this plastic bag, wrapped in this bag, in this. So clearly something happened here. Something spilled. It's definitely oily. And the post office is saying that they're sorry for the damage, basically, is what's happening here. So I hope nothing's completely gone in here. I don't know, it's all so slippery. Let's see, dry conditioner, awesome. Oh no, it's this. It's completely empty. That's such a bummer. The Sleek Silk Serum. Oh, I'm so bummed. Got everywhere. It is very sleeky and silky. I can tell you that. And it smells good. Kind of smells like coconut. Oh, it's so slippery. We got a high gloss mist. And we got some vitamins. Oh gosh, that's so slippery. I can't even pick it up. More gummies. Are these the same? Yeah, those look the same. Awesome. Sadie wants to know what's going on. Hi, Sadie. And then we got some dry shampoo. Oops, the empty bottle fell over. I'm not sure what that is yet, but it's definitely very slimy. And looks like just like a sticker. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. We'll check out what this is in a sec. I can't wait to try all this stuff. I am really excited. I'm just so bummed about this. And oh my gosh, I do not think this is for me. It was supposed to be shipped to a different house. This is not for me. It's like a light bulb or something. I'm not quite sure, but definitely I don't think it goes with any of this. And I don't think the company sent it to me. It's completely different and I wonder why it's in my bag. That is so weird. I'll have to give it back to the mailman or something. I don't know. It's definitely not hair care stuff. Okay, so I got these Kerotin products in the mail the other day. As you know, they did send me another bottle of the Sleek Serum super fast because the other one clearly spilled everywhere. So I got a new one, and 2 of these products need to be used with damp hair, freshly washed, and 2 of them are for dry hair. So we're going to play with the ones that need damp hair right now. That would be the High Gloss Mist and the Sleek Silk Serum. Oh my gosh, that's a tongue twister. So let's play with these. I'm not really sure which one to do first. I'm going to start with this one because it goes on the roots. I think this one just kind of goes lightly over more of the ends and will be a little bit heavier, so you don't want it so much towards your roots. Now, I didn't start using this right away because I don't wash my hair every day, so this is the first day I have washed my hair since receiving it, so let's play. The High Gloss Mist is a breakthrough in straightening. This fine mist smooths and straightens, leaving a high gloss shine. Lightweight, non-greasy, never feels heavy or weighs down hair. That's great. Let's see, adds moisture to the hair and reduces frizz and high humidity, and great for all hair types. So shake before using. Okay. And then after shampooing and towel drying, I don't really towel dry, I just kind of let it air dry a little bit. Hold the can 8 to 12 inches from hair, spray from root to ends, focusing on troubled areas. Blow dry using a round brush for best results. I don't usually blow dry my hair at all, I let it air dry, so I'm gonna do what I normally do so that I can tell how this works. When hair is completely dry, respray small sections lightly from root to end, proceed to flat iron or curl. Perfect, so I'll do that tomorrow. It's nighttime right now, so I'm gonna go to sleep on it and we'll play with it tomorrow again. But let's do this. It said root to end, and now it smells pretty good. It kind of reminds me a little bit of suntan lotion. Maybe just a hint of it, but not in a bad way, in a good way. It feels very beachy, I feel like I'm on vacation a little bit. Now for the Sleek Silk Serum. Such a tongue twister. Every time I'm saying it, I feel like I'm saying it wrong. Whatever. But unlike any other product available, this transformative, redefining serum, infused with meadow foam oil, makes curly hair smooth and straight hair sleek. I guess I'm going to be going for that sleek look. Hair is transformed. Directions: apply sparingly, distribute evenly in towel dried hair. Proceed to blow dry for straight looks. Let naturally dry for free looks. We're going for the free look. Wow, these are so versatile. Both these products so far, kind of, you start out using it wet and then you can use it dry. Kind of cool. So we're just gonna keep it more towards the ends. I don't know. I'm just gonna put some in my hand. Let's see. Okay, so it's like clear and kind of a little bit like gooey. So let's just start like this and, oh. This has kind of the same smell, I swear. Maybe it's a little bit coconutty. Yeah, it makes me feel like I'm on vacay. And with quarantine, every day's kind of been like vacay. Make sure I get it on the ends. Man, it smells so good. And my gosh, my hair feels incredibly soft right now. Like, I can't even tell you. Wow, I am excited to see what it looks like in the morning. I hope that this does just like amazing things. And I'll just kind of comb it just to make sure everything is well distributed. And I normally part my hair so that it kind of dries the way I want to style it, so. Ooh, and so a little trick I want to share too. If you have a problem with having a weird part in the back of your head and it's just something that your hair just does, like a cowlick or whatever, and it's just something that your hair has done and always done, you can kind of retrain your hair just like you can change your part on either side, and sometimes it takes a while for your hair to get used to it to want to go that way. I always start about right here and I comb back on my head so that my hair dries nice and smooth. So I don't give it a chance to get a weird part, if you will. Right? And I do this every single time I wash my hair, so I no longer really get weird parts, if at all. So if you have an issue with that, maybe this is something you want to try daily. It's not going to help overnight, but if you do it, you can kind of retrain your hair just a little bit. If nothing else, it's going to help it and not make it worse. Fun little extra tip for you. But man, oh man, I have to say, that does feel good. It smells good. So far, I'm really enjoying this. I will keep you posted as I use these products, but right now, I'm off to bed. Okay, so I slept on my hair. I let it air dry and then I pineappled it. If you don't know what pineappling is, I have a class on it. I'll link it for you. But I did my makeup with my hair pulled up and I pulled it down and just brushed it and I haven't done anything else. So that's why there's a little bit of a natural wave, is because it was up in a scrunchie. But I'm looking at it and I'm like, this doesn't look like freshly washed hair. You know what I mean? Like, it's a little greasy. So it just never looks like this day 1 for me. This would be like day 4 or 5, this greasy. So the high gloss mist might be a little bit too heavy for my root area. So next time I wash it, I'm just gonna spray it on the ends and stay away from the roots and see what happens there. And the same thing for the Sleek Serum. I'm just gonna keep it strictly towards the ends and see if that changes what happens here. So right now is a perfect time to test out their dry shampoo because I'm in desperate need. Renews, revives hair, lightweight, easy to use. Shake well and apply as needed on dry hair. Massage the product through the hair and scalp with your fingertips. For long hair, flip head upside down and massage product thoroughly. So shake, shake, shake. Ooh. Maybe it's not shaking enough. I just don't know that that's like. I mean, I guess that's a little better than it was. So let's do my hair. Maybe I'm not used to my hair looking so sleek and shiny. I'm not sure. My hair definitely looks and I feel like it feels different. Whether that's good or bad, I'm not quite sure yet. So that's why we're playing with it, right? So usually when my hair that has this kind of a natural wave, I will part it where I want it. I'm gonna tease, and then I'm just gonna fine tune it with a flat iron. Yeah, the roots are still just not quite sure yet how I'm feeling. And then on freshly washed hair, I usually tease twice. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so I kind of have this like natural beachy wave kind of look going right now, which I don't hate. Like I said, I feel like my hair feels different, but I don't know if that's bad or good. Does it look shinier to you? I feel like it looks a bit shinier, so I'm not sure if I'm just not used to my hair looking so shiny, and maybe the shine is what I'm thinking like greasy is. I don't know. So interesting though. But let's do a little flat ironing to like get out some kinks. So I always start like in by my ear. I just like my hair to be straight right there. Bring it down, same thing to the other side, and then I'll take the ends and just kind of go like this. Like I want to keep the wave right here, so just want to make sure those ends look finished. Same thing with the little bangs. I like this little wave that's happening, so I don't want to take it out too much. and then I totally forgot about this dry conditioner. I'm not sure if I need it yet just because I just washed it yesterday, but maybe tomorrow we can play with this. So when I first went to record and I saw what my hair was looking like, I was like, ooh, I don't know about this. But right now I'm feeling pretty good about it. So we're gonna continue to play with it. I'm gonna wash my hair again, use the products again, a little differently like I said, and we'll see what happens. And you know, I'll give you final thoughts in a little bit. Okay, so today we're gonna try the dry conditioner. This is the same hair as you saw before. I have not washed it yet. So we're just going to do what it says, spray evenly it says. Oh, it smells good. It's a little perfumey, but it smells good. I mean, I already kind of like that. I think it's kind of fun. I feel like yesterday I had beachy waves. I feel like these are even like more beachy. And my hair is not too bad grease-wise. I think maybe I'm just not used to my hair shiny. So we are gonna do a little more dry shampoo. I just like don't know that I see product going on, but it has to be if it, you saw how greasy it was yesterday. I mean, my hair's still a little out of control, but it's kind of fun. And I'm gonna do what I did yesterday and tease it and then just kind of straighten out the ends. Okay, so straightened it out, teased it a bit, love it. I feel like these products are growing on me just a little bit. I wasn't sure that that dry shampoo was doing anything, but like, look, it's like kind of working. So the high gloss mist, you can use it earlier like we did when my hair was wet. Let's add a little shine. Okay, so I'm going to wash my hair probably tomorrow and then I'm gonna start the whole thing over again and just kind of see what I've learned and if it helps. Maybe my hair won't be as greasy. Let's cross our fingers, but hey, I'm really liking my hair. Look at this hair. So this is a freshly washed hair day. I used the serum and I used the high gloss mist on my hair today. And then it's at the end of the day right now, so I just sprayed a little bit of the dry conditioner, but gosh, I can't stop touching my hair. I feel like it looks like super healthy, super sleek and shiny, and I just feel like it's night and day from when I first started using the products. When I first started using everything, I was a little concerned, as you saw, but I feel like now that I've kind of made it work for me and I stopped putting all the products towards my roots, which I think my thin hair just did not like. If you have thicker hair, it might be a different story for you, but again, everyone's gonna have to figure out what works for them. But I really do feel I got a handle on how these products work for me and for my hair. So I just really feel like I've done like a 360 in how I'm feeling about these products. I was a little nervous, but I'm really excited about where I've ended up after trying these products for 3 weeks now. And that's the thing sometimes. If I would have tried this only that one time, I would have been like, oh, these products, no. But since I was trying it for a couple weeks, giving it a chance, I really got to use them in the proper and correct way by using them over time. And again, figuring out what works for me. Another thing I wanted to mention is the vitamin gummies they gave me too. I've been taking those as well. The Kerotin hair vitamin gummies, they're really actually super tasty. They taste like gummy bears kind of, like more on the cherry raspberry side. You take 2 a day. I've been taking these and can I say they're working? Oh, I don't know yet because this is from like the inside out. It's not something you can see topically, but I will say I've had some baby hairs, so maybe they're working. My hair feels really great. It's gonna take time. If you've ever tried or had these, let me know your experience in the comments below. I'm sure other people would love to hear as well, as I would. But yeah, I'm gonna keep taking them. They gave me 2 months supply. 1 bottle is a month's supply because you take 2 a day. We'll see about these, but they're super tasty. A good little treat. So yeah, I feel like I would definitely recommend these products. And if you have damaged hair at all, I feel like would be so nourishing for you. So I would definitely check them out. And if you're looking for hair growth, that's what those gummies are supposed to be for. I would check those out as well. I've been growing out my hair and trying to grow out my hair, so hopefully this is helping me do even more. Maybe when I go to see my hairstylist, whenever that's gonna be, she can let me know if she sees a difference or not too. And that's something I can share with you maybe later on my like Instagram. So speaking of, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I do a lot of fun stories. It's just at AshleyULife, just like my channel name. I'd love to see you on Insta too. Come check me out. But if you were thinking of trying these products, I hope I've helped you make a decision one way or the other. I also have a little coupon code for you and I'll put that in the description down below. So check that out if you wanted a little bit of a discount. And yeah, before you go out and try these products, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Don't forget about the discount code. It's in the description.